Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by freeing resources and setting the baseline. Uninstall or disable apps you never use so RAM and storage aren't tied up. Once done, reduce animations in developer options to 0. 5. To speed UI rendering. Make sure to update the system and apps because newer builds often include optimizations. This initial cleanup makes subsequent tweaks faster and gives you a clear performance baseline to measure gains against when you move to deeper optimizations. Now focus on background systems where slowdowns hide. You should restrict background activity for resource-hungry apps from the app info screen so they don't wake the CPU constantly. Then enable battery optimization and adaptive battery to prioritize frequently used apps. Once those are active, reduce sync frequency for email and cloud apps or switch to manual sync for low-priority accounts. These steps reduce I/O and CPU contention, which improves responsiveness and lowers thermal throttling over time. Finish with storage and verification steps to lock in gains. Move media to an SD card or cloud, and enable high-performance storage modes if your device supports them. Faster storage reduces app load times. Clear the cache partition to remove leftover junk that can slow I/O. Finally, run a benchmark and monitor temperatures to confirm stability. If you hit instability or overheating, revert the most recent change first. That troubleshooting tip usually isolates problematic tweaks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.